Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. I am a watercolor artist and today I'm gonna tell you about how to draw in the open air. I do love to draw from life and I guess that this is the best way an artist can do for his development because nature is constantly changing and you need to catch its condition. I mean, you have a really little time to catch it and draw. And I totally recommend you to try it too, maybe with me now. And so let's get started. Firstly, I need to choose a place I'll draw and make a drawing with a pencil. Of course, I don't have to draw everything I see in nature. For example, I don't want to draw this greenhouse and I don't draw it easy. And also I can move some items on my sheet like houses or trees as I need. It doesn't matter. The main idea of the painting is in nature is to convey the colors and the condition at this moment. Try not to put a main object or the center of the sheet. It's not so good idea. Better if it's closer to any edge of paper, and also try to find the differences between objects. Don't make ones the same high and wide. I finished the pencil drawing and wet the sheet with clean water on both sides. While the sheet is drying, I'll show you my materials. So, paper. I like 100% cotton paper from Bahong brand. It's not expensive but actually good. Brushes. I use different ones but from natural pile, usually from squirrel and goat. My paints are brand Shihan. I like their bright colors and it's also not too expensive. It's good for me. And white gouache also used. Water bottle for wetting paper and creating some effects. A water jar from under some stuff for my hair I used before. It's very convenient. And also I have a small chair and plexiglass. So my paper has already dried and I wet one more time, only from the front side. For painting the sky I use cobalt blue and yellow ochre with white. The sky is not a main part of our scenery, so I make it not very bright, more water, less paints. Spring bright grass in the sun with olive green, or you can use yellow green with yellow ochre. I really like these colors when it's spring. And indigo with burnt umber in the shadows. I also do some effects with clean water because it's more interesting in the shadow, and add deep shadows with indigo plus burnt umber, the same. Use only clean water to wet the paper again. I paint trees in the background with sienna, and again less paint, more water, cause it's the background and it shouldn't be too bright. Or you can also use dry brush for making trees. The more effects, the more complex your landscape, but the main thing is not to overdo it. Nearby trees are darker and I use indigo and green colors. Try to make an interesting and different outline for the Christmas trees. Use different shades of green and amounts of water. Let the watercolor spread as it wants. For both houses, I use shades of brown like burnt umber or Mars brown with the blue shades indigo or cobalt blue. And of course, the details, a very crucial moment. Don't make it very dark, like black, for example, and use a thin brush. Well, that's all. Our landscape is ready. Thanks for watching. I will be so glad to your comments. Subscribe my channel and bye.